Hey, what's happening, guys? A new multimeter for a new year. This is from Etekcity, whatever. MSR A1000 digital multimeter from Etekcity Corporation in California, or at least they have an office there. 1,000 volts, two 1.5 AA batteries. Auto power off, backlight, RMS, auto manual range options, measure up to 10 amps AC, DC, over voltage, over current. So let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Oh, what's in the box? What's in the box? So we've got some leads. We've got some alligator clips, a carabiner, a thermocouple, and our meter, which is heavy. I was going to say, did we not get some sort of paperwork? See what people are talking about. Well, what are people talking about? Perks of being an E-Tech citizen. Okay. Alright, here's some info on our multimeter with an actual American phone number. Well, you guys can read that. 855-686-3835. If it wasn't Sunday afternoon, I would call. We'd do it live. Table contents. Safety information. You can see all their safety ratings and stuff there, but you don't see Underwriter's Laboratory. Multimeter features. Symbols. General use. I'm looking for specifications, in case you're just wondering if this was come read a book with Paul Day. General care and maintenance. All right, 6,000 counts. 4 times a second ADC with true RMS. Capacitance measurement, less than 60 millifarads, less than 12 seconds. Maximum voltage to ground, 1,000 volts. Auto range, backlight manual, off after 30 seconds. Display refresh 3 times a second. Temperatures. Dimensions, weight. It weighs 14 ounces. That's very close to a pound. 400 grams. EMC. Wow. You don't see that in Chinese meters. RF field measurements. Impressive. Most impressive. AC current measurement. Frequency response 40 to 400 hertz. Frequency measurement range 10 hertz to 10 kilohertz. Resolution 0.001 to 0.001 megahertz. Well, it seems like a really nice spec'd out meter. Got a nice big display. There's the light. Light's not particularly bright. So we've got off, we've got AC, we got DC, we got millivolts DC, frequency, we have resistance, diode check, continuity, capacitance, temperature, both Fahrenheit and the other one, microamps, milliamps, amps, non-contact voltage. Got a nice stand, feels steady. Bad thing is the battery compartment's clear up under here. Who wants to get clear up in there to change your batteries? I know I don't. All right, so we're getting ready to do some tests. We're not using the cheapo probes that all meters come with. We're using a nice set of Probe Master probes. They actually say Probe Master on them? No, they don't. But this is what we use to test all of our meters here. And the reason for this is this way we're only testing the meter. We're not testing, whether company A spent an additional 0.3 cents over company B in the leads. These are high quality leads that are going to give us consistent results across everything we do. So, first of all, it's too bright. Let's try it. Turning off some of these lights, see if you guys can see. That's not too bad, yeah? I mean, I can put it up on the stand, but then you don't really get any light at all on it. Let me see if we can get something in here. Hold it at a decent angle so you guys can see. All right, there we go. So we want DC voltage. And we've had our voltage standard sitting out here for a while. It's set for 2.5 volts. Let's see what we get. 2.506. All right, let's go to 5. 5.013. I'm going to turn the light on here. That might make it a little better for you. Now we're going to go to 7.5 volts. 1.51. And finally 10 volts. 10.01. So it's definitely within spec. I mean, it's not bad at all, really. Let's check resistance. We're going to be using the resistance substitution box today. And we're going to start on the low end, 10 ohms. We'll see how we go from there. Okay, so it's actually reading 10 ohms as a short. That's fine. Has a nice loud alarm. Let's go to 22, 21.8, 47. So we also now know that anything under 50 ohms on this meter is going to come across as a short. Good. Turn the light back on. 100 ohms. I'm not going to go all the way through this. 1K. Huh. Did I lose something? Has something gone bad here? Let's select. Oh, I was in some sort of range mode. Auto. That's capacitance. Okay, I did not realize I was in a range mode. That's my bad. So we're on 680 ohms, as you can see there. 1K. 10K. 47K. 100K. 1 meg. Looks great. No worries at all there. While we're here, interesting they didn't do it that time. Huh. Oh, there it is. Meter seems to work good. Let's move on to, we'll do diodes. I have some LEDs here. Also a large power silicon junction diode and a smaller Schottky. So we'll see what we get out of them. There's the red LED, which is lit up. You can see its forward voltage. I'm guessing this puts out about 3 volts. Yellow LED lights up, 1.86. Green, 1.87. Blue, 2.5. And white, 2.57. So yeah, it's putting out at least 2.57 volts, probably 3 volts. All right, here's our big silicon junction diode. About a half volt drop. And our smaller Schottky, which should show up somewhere between 0.2, 0.3. I guess that's not a Schottky. That's just a smaller silicon one. Okay. No worries there. All right, let's go to AC voltage, and we'll see what today's flavor is. We're generally around 123.5 here. They bump it up a little bit in the winter. 125.6, yeah, so they bump it up about 2 volts for the winter time. Okay. So one thing to take note of here is there is no dual line reading here. So it's not showing us the frequency in the same line as the voltage. So we'll have to go over to frequency. Auto is the only selection we have. Okay. Here's the kaboom. Yep. 59.99 hertz, which is, standard for the US system. All right, let's bring our board back. This time we'll do capacitors. Got them starting small and moving up. And moving on up. Moving on up. And to do. There we go. Get the probes in the right fingers here. Yeah, that's 0.1. That was 0.47. This one's like 1, or maybe it's 2.2. Reading 3.2. Okay. Bigger one. Get on there. Yep, 10. Now here's 10,000. Yeah. Seems like a good one. Let's take out our leads. And we will put this in non-contact voltage mode. And we'll swing you up here. I got some electrical stuff down here. Let's see if it picks up any of this stuff. Absolutely. Yeah. Looks good. All that's left now is to get inside of it. Okay, here's the listing on Amazon's website. Etekcity Professional Digital Multimeter A1000 TRMS 6000 counts. Blah, blah, blah. It is $33.37, which I think is a very nice value for this. There may be more information here. Measure with the best, marketing, blah. There you go. You can see what we have. Diode, capacitance, Fahrenheit, blah, blah, blah. Specifications, blah, blah, blah. Good, honest meter, great meter, test leads a week. That's why we don't do it. It was a great meter until below field punishment. You can find fast blowing. 2%. Wow. Wow, that's expensive. Cool. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Sorry my camera wasn't working for the Zoom meeting yesterday. That's it. I'm out. Peace.